My mom told me that I'm grabbing the jolote wrong. She said I have to grab it like this. Now she has smaller hands and she's able to do it. I have bigger hands, so I have to like grab from the top. Hello, my name is Gustavo Romero, and today we're gonna make salsa cruda. Cruda means that everything is raw, so what we want to accomplish with this salsa is we're trying to get the fresh flavor of all these ingredients. This is one of those salsas that you get in a taqueria. The acidity really helps cut it through the fat. And then we're gonna start by chopping all the ingredients so we can add it into the molcajete. We're gonna use a little bit of onion, garlic, serrano, chiles, tomatillos, green tomatoes, a little bit of lime juice, and fresh cilantro. You can also make the salsa in a blender, but we're gonna make it in the molcajete because the flavors get spread out easier. It doesn't warm up by friction like it does with the blender. You're gonna continue to have the freshest of the flavors by doing it in the molcajete. First, we're gonna add the garlic and the onion. We wanna prevent bigger flavors to be whole. So we wanna make sure that we mash the garlic and the onion pretty well so the flavor is sparse between all the salsa. After that, we're gonna add the chiles, which is the other stronger spice. And then when we have everything mashed, we make a little paste. We're gonna start incorporating our tomatillos. We're gonna add lime. This is gonna balance the spice of the chiles. And then it's gonna give it the acidity that you want to cut through the fat in some of your tacos. We're gonna add salt and pepper. I'm gonna continue to mash. And then we're gonna finish with the chopped cilantro. So we're just gonna stir it, kind of get it all mixed. You want the consistency to be chunky. You want these pieces of onion and tomatillo to be in there. It's gonna add a very good consistency to your tacos or whatever you're eating. I think this is one of my favorite salsas to eat just because you can actually taste everything that you put in the salsa. Simple and delicious.